Alright, so sometimes you've got to be aware that a trig product should be easier integrated if you integrate it as a sum. So you've got your formulas that are on the formula sheet for sums to products, okay? And so what you need to do is you need to look up, you're expecting it to look like 2, it might be cos, it might be sine A, cos or sine B, yeah? And so if we've got that situation, we want to be able to rewrite them as something like sine or cos A plus B, plus cos, A minus B kind of thing. Okay? All of that there is just all those kind of things that turn up in the formula sheet. So here, 2 cos something, okay? Now the formula we're looking for, if you look on your products formula sheet, is 2 cos A cos B. That's the same as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, so we're just going to match up. See this 2 here? That's that 2, so that's fine. So that's 3x, that's A. So that's 5x, that's B. Okay? So where there is a, we're going to put 3x. Where there is a B, we're going to put 5x. Um, 3x minus 5x, 3x minus 5x. Yep. And we're still integrating that, yeah? dx. So that's integrating of cos 8x plus the integral of cos minus 2x dx, yeah? And so if we want to integrate those, we're going to go to sine 8x over 8 plus sine minus 2x over minus 2 plus c. Alright, so just be aware, probably a good idea to have brackets. So the trick is that we're rewriting something that was a product into a sum so that we can integrate it. Alright, now sometimes that's not as simple to do, okay, because every single product needs to have this 2 in front. So that's not going to work if we don't have a 2 there. Okay, so how can we do that? Well, let's put a 2 there. Here's a 2 there. And then just half it. Okay, so now we've got exactly what we want. 2 sine 3x sine 7x. And you find the formula, and that's the one that says sine, so that's 2 sine A sine B is cos A minus B minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, so we'll do that. So that's the integral with half in front, yeah, of cos A minus B. A is 3x, B is 7x, so cos of minus 4x minus cos of A plus B, well that's cos of 10x dx. We integrate, we're going to get sine minus 4x over minus 4 minus sine 10x over 10 plus c, and that all is getting multiplied by a half, and then you're welcome to expand that half through, so you get sine of, I'll just get rid of all this stuff at the bottom. If we're going to multiply through by that half, we end up getting to sine of minus 4x. At that negative we can bring to the top, we've got minus 8 minus sine of 10x over 20, and that's just plus a different constant, k. Okay, and so that's us integrating. So the strategy is, if you do not have this 2, that 2 that you want, just put it there and have a multiplying factor. Okay. The final thing is that if you end up getting a new, here we go. If we end up getting something like 8 cos 4x sine 3x, alright, well, you want to manipulate it such that you only have a 2 there. So just bring that 4 out. Yeah, because that's all about integration. We can actually just take a constant to the front. So we can multiply or divide by a constant, and that's fine as long as we put it at the front. Alright, so that's another strategy that you can use. So if you've got half in there, or you've got 100, or you've got thing, just have a multiplying factor. This is your multiplying factor. Okay, multiplying factor, and then always have that 2 there, so that these 2 multiply to get what you actually got originally, but you always want a 2 there.